I recently made a video on how to create a YouTube playlist, but last week I got a question about how to set the playback order of the videos in the list. It's quite easy to do, here's how. After logging into your channel, click on Video Manager on the left. Then click on Playlists. I'm going to modify my first playlist called Taco Trucks by clicking on the Edit button on the right. Now click on Edit to the right of your channel name. Here, hover your mouse cursor over the videos. Notice the three dots that appear to the left of the video number. And when you hover over the dots, the cursor turns into a cross. Now just click and grab the dots and reposition your video. Drop the video in a new place in the list, and that's it. This is really useful when you have a sequence of videos that need to play in a certain order. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The Render Queue, for more how-to videos and product reviews.
Yeah.